I get closer to the scene because we're investigating is what we're doing. We're now here at Deep River
State Park.
State Park. I ain't in State Park.
That's what it says.
Oh, okay. State Park.
Don't go down there.
I'm here now at this big old water building. I don't know what it's for yet. I'll see what the name of it is when I get up here. I hear a waterfall, some sort of little one. It's a nice day today. It's probably 74. Little breeze. Now south not too. I didn't know that this went back in here this far. Let's hope I don't fall and break my neck. Ugh. All right. Well, what is this? So I'm guessing this probably wasn't a waterfall. That's just a little bit of rocks, water flying over it. But it's pretty out here. But look, this is concrete. I don't know what that is. See that? There's something in the rock. Well, we found her, Naomi Wise, 1789 to 1808. Now we are located, they redid these trails and made them longer. That's pretty neat.
It goes back the other way too.
Yeah, so
up under the bridge. We are located in Randleman, North Carolina, just south of Greensboro. Now, one thing about this, there's a lot of these old concrete garbage in the river. I'm sure some of these old factories up here, they got to be old abandoned factories. And you can see it's not very deep. Now, people that's around the area, you just want to get out for a good walk. This is a good place. It's flat. You've seen some of our other videos that like to kill us, right? So this ain't bad. No, it's pretty nice, flat. Unless you go outside of the mountain going down to the river.
Well, that ain't even bad compared to where we've been.
That's true too.
You know, the other day, we about didn't make it up. We about had to call 911 for real. I tried to get Vicky to carry me. She wouldn't. I thought that's what marriage is all about.
Yeah, you carrying me up the steps.
We're under a bridge at the moment. I can't remember what road. Oh, I do remember what road. Naomi Street, ain't it? Hooty-hoo. Okay, let's go. Well, where's that go? Oh, another parking lot. That didn't used to be there.
It didn't. Unless they're using the Mills overflow parking lot.
No, that's off the side street there. This away.
This comes right in front of the building and comes across.
Oh, I see. They can turn in right there. It's on this side of the street of the building.
Yeah.
Okay. right there, little fella. Well, guys, I'm a little impressed. This is pretty nice in here. They've redone a lot of this. I didn't know that. So now we know we can come and get our exercise.
Yeah.
Oh, one thing also, we just met a young man and a young lady and on the trail, and they asked for the name of our channel, and we told them, and they said they're going to subscribe right now. So if you guys see this video, man, appreciate it.
Yeah.